The button block adds a button or call to action to your site. Button blocks can link to your content, external content, or a downloadable file. To add a button block, open a page or post editor. Click an insert point and select Button from the menu. In the text box, enter text for the button label. Click the gear icon to select a destination for when a visitor clicks the button. You can send the visitor to content from your site, an external link, a file, or an email or phone number. After you set the destination, click Design to adjust the button size and alignment. And click Save to save your changes. When in edit mode, you also have the option to adjust the style of the button by clicking the brush icon. And then click Buttons. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.